Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to create Google Sheets inside Google Drive. So what is Google Sheets? So Google Sheets, it is an online spreadsheet app. It is just like Microsoft Excel. So what it does is lets you create files and it is stored in your Google Drive. To learn in more details, you can come back here later. So this is how we are going to implement this video. Now let's get started. So I'm going to open my Google Chrome over here. Okay. So now I have opened my Google Chrome. So I'm going to open my Google Drive from here. So let's say if I want to create a Google Sheet on my inside the My Drive directory. So I can just click on the new and click on Google Sheets, or I can right click over here and click on Google Sheets. So the same process, if I want to create the Google Sheets inside a folder, I can enter that folder and just right click and click on Google Sheets. So now if we name the sheet as, let's say that the school report or something, you can name it anything you would like. So these are all the features that you can work on with, and we will cover this in the upcoming videos. So now if you go back here, you will see that inside this folder, the file has already been added called the school report. So if you go back to My Drive and go to Cloud One, you will see that the file is already here. And if you make any changes, it will automatically sync with your Google Drive. That means, let's say if I write my name over here and it is saying saving, and now it is saved to Drive, which means if I open this file again, I will see my name. So this is how Google can save everything that you type in your Google Drive. And this is how you can create a Google Sheet. So now let's have a look at the summary. So in this video, we have covered how to create Google Sheets inside Google Drive. Thank you for watching.